In this tutorial, we're looking at the Facebook Messenger add-on, which simply allows you to connect your Shopify store to your Facebook page messaging service, allowing you to answer any queries in a fashion that's accessible and familiar to your customers. So let's get started. The first step is to just jump into theme settings, locate the Debutify Add-ons tab, and then find Facebook Messenger. Tick that on, and then move back out and find the Facebook Messenger tab inside the theme settings. The next step is to jump into Facebook itself and find your messaging tab. All you need to do is navigate to your page and then go to page settings and then click messaging. About 3/4 of the way down the page, you'll see add messenger to your website. Just click get started. This is pretty intuitive, but I'll just walk you through as well. Just click next, and then you can customize what you want to say to your customers. You can change the colors, the width, and the position it is on the page. And then you just need to take the code from here and put it into the Debutify add-on. One more thing you need to do before it's finished is just take your website page and put it up in the website domain. It works really well. It's quite intuitive for the customer and for the merchant. If I choose any of these options, I get a reply straight back. And that is that. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.